Here's my Emerson Electric 6250, I think H or D, yeah. This one is actually in there's the voltage. This one's in very, very good condition. I think this is as close as the original as it gets. Polish still on the blades, and I haven't done a thing to this. See how nice the badge is. Still original wiring, and it even has the original cord. That's what the plug would look like. This fan is not going to be mine anymore. I'm going to be selling it to a collector, so I have not serviced it besides putting oil in it. I will grease the gearbox, but other than that, I'm not touching it. So you can see this thing is in immaculate condition. Look at the badge. That's crazy. Even still has the felt on it, which is like, I think a dark green. I thought it was black, but either way, it's a little faded. So here it is on. Runs smooth. I got this and a 10-inch Vortelex, which the guy who owns this fan has also, from the same person. They must have been left in a closet. The Emerson was in better shape, but the GE wasn't even in that bad a shape either. I always appreciate these. They move a ton of air. Pretty efficient too. You see how good the spinning is. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.